Welcome back, Witchcraft Families. Again, it's Mrs. Norton, and today I am so excited because we get to do an experiment together. Our experiment is called the Saltwater Egg Drop Experiment. Let's get started. Here are the materials that you'll need in order to do this experiment. You'll need some salt. You'll need some water, which I have in this pretty cool fish jug. I use like lukewarm temperature water. You'll need 2 glasses, 2 eggs, a tablespoon, and a spoon for mixing. Let's get started. First, we're going to grab 1 glass and pour the water until it's almost full. Here we go. And stop. Now, I'm going to grab one of our eggs and gently drop. You need to be very careful. Our next step will be to observe, which means to use our eyes to see what happens. Time to observe. What do we see? Where's our egg? I'm noticing that my egg went all the way down. It sunk to the bottom. Next, our PowerPoint asks us to show where we see our egg. I'm observing again. My egg is right about here in the glass. You can have your student drag or drop, or you can have them point to where they see the egg in the glass. Let's see what our next steps are. All right, it's time to get our second glass and see what happens when we put some salt into this glass of water and add an egg. Let's see what happens to our egg. I'm gonna get my second glass. I'm gonna pour in some more water. And now it's time to add about 6 tablespoons of salt water into this glass. Get my tablespoon. I've got my salt. And now it's time to help me count. Students love putting the ingredients in. Okay, help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thanks for helping me count, everyone. Now, our most favorite step. In my classroom, when we have to mix anything, we sing a special song. Let me teach it to you. It goes like this. Mixa, 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 mix. Mixa, mixa, mixa. Some salt water I will fix. All right. Let's see what we have to do next. All right, here's the very exciting part. We're gonna grab our second egg and we're gonna drop to see what happens. Be very gentle. Let's see. Oh my goodness. What do we notice? How does this look different from our first glass of water? Let's compare. Did our second glass of water with salt, did our egg go to the bottom like our first, or did it float to the top? Good looking, everyone. Nice job comparing. Let's go to our next slide and drag and drop or point to where we notice that our egg is in our second glass of water. It's not down here. This time, I see it floating on the top. My egg is right about here. So cool. Was this magic or is it science? Let's find out what we're seeing exactly. Here are some questions that will be attached to your Google Classroom that you can have your student either circle or point to the answers. How and why did this happen? Salt water is more dense than regular water that we get from our sinks. Dense or density is the amount of space an object takes up. So in this example, in this experiment, an egg floats in the water, in the salt water, because the salt water is more dense than the egg that we use in our experiment. Some extra activities that you could do following this experiment would be to try out different materials like coins or paper clips or rocks. And then you could also try changing the density of the water using less or more salt, seeing how much salt you really need to make an object float. I hope you enjoyed this activity. And as always, if you have questions, please reach out to your special education teacher. Enjoy, have so much fun. I can't wait seeing pictures of this activity. Thank you.